Hello guys, welcome to Python and Machine Learning Daily. Today let's talk about one operation in Python which that language does differently from other popular languages. I'm coming from PHP background with a little bit of JavaScript, and Python kind of surprised me here by transforming an array, a list, into string differently than other languages. I'm talking about join function. So imagine you have an array and you need to build a string with comma separated items of that array. And this is how it is done in Python. So string of separator, which becomes an object, and then you call join method on that object with list array as a parameter. So the result would be users, comma, projects, comma, tasks, comma with a space because the space is here. But in other languages, as you can see on the screen, JavaScript has array, and then array has a function of join with separator as a parameter. PHP has array, but then has a string function with array and separator as a parameter. In Python, it's the other way around. It's separator first as an object, as kind of leading structure, and then you join the iterable structure, list or set or others, as a parameter. And let's see a few more examples of that in Python. So if you have a dictionary, for example, name and surname, and you want to also concatenate that, not with comma, but with space, for example, be careful with that. With dictionaries, if you just provide the dictionary here, you may be surprised that it joins the keys, not the values. If you want the values, then you need to add values here, and then you will have John Smith. So this is kind of a warning. And then a bit more complex examples with f strings and string comprehension. So you can do, for example, history of messages, which is a list and each item is a dictionary. And for each message, you build a string of that message, and then those strings will be joined into one string with new line symbol. The example result would be something like this. Those strings separated by new line. And similar example here, another list of dictionaries. And for example, you have f string, that table has columns, and then you join those columns with f string coming from a for loop, and then you join those with comma, and the result of that is table info, a string plus the result string of that join operation. So this is the video I want to shoot. The thing that personally surprised me as coming from PHP background, that Python does that the other way around, and the only way to get used to it is to practice. That's why I gave a few more examples, and in general on this channel I'm a big fan of practical examples, real projects, and live demos. So if you want more of those, subscribe to the channel. I will keep shooting daily videos, and see you guys in those other videos.